In this video, we'll demonstrate how to remove an email address from your Facebook account. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. If you're looking to disassociate a specific email address from your Facebook profile, this guide will help you. You can easily complete it within the Facebook mobile app. Let's get started. Launch the Facebook app on your mobile device and ensure you're logged in to the account from which you want to remove the email address. Locate the menu icon, usually found at the bottom right corner of the screen. If you are using an Android device, the menu button might be situated at the top right. Tap on it to open the menu. At the top right corner of the menu, you'll see a gear or settings icon. Tap on this icon to access the Facebook settings. Inside the settings menu, you will find an option named See More in Account Center. Tap on this option to proceed. In the Account Center section, you'll see a list of your connected accounts, which may include Facebook and Instagram. To edit the email addresses associated with your Facebook account, tap on Personal Details. Now you'll be presented with your contact information. This includes the email addresses linked to your Facebook account. To remove a specific email address, tap on the one you wish to delete. A menu will appear and you should see an option labeled Delete Email. Tap on this option. Facebook will ask you to confirm the deletion of the email address. To proceed, enter your Facebook password to verify your identity. Once you've entered your password and confirmed the deletion, the selected email address will be removed from your Facebook account. You'll receive a confirmation message, and you can then press Close to exit this menu. Remember that it's a good practice to have at least one email address and a phone number associated with your Facebook account for security and account recovery purposes. If you ever encounter issues with your account, having these contact options can help you regain access or reset your password. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.